everybody, and this is actually my first video with my new phone, and I'm testing out the camera to see how this looks. So go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you think. I think I need a haircut. With the way my hairline is, as high as it is, I'm starting to look old, but it makes my hair look funny because the sides stick out. What if I have it like this? And then I think that would look awful, but I think I'm due for a haircut. When I got it cut last time, it was cut quite a bit too short on accident. So I think I'm gonna grow my hair out, especially for the winter, so I can stay warmer. Although I have a hat I can wear, but this helps me stay a little bit warmer at least. Have you ever cleaned your eyeglasses and no matter how much you clean them, they still get smudges on them? I seem to have that problem. If you're wondering what that blue tint is on my eyeglasses, that's a UV protection. Or not UV. I guess it's similar to it, but it's actually a blue light protection from devices like monitors, phones, and other things like that. It was an extra cost adding it to the glasses, but being that I do so much with my phone and mostly video editing, I find it very useful. I just realized something. I think I forgot to take my trash out Tuesday. But my trash can didn't have much in it. At least that's a good thing, because there was a one time where I forgot to. And there was trash piled up all over the place. And then the next week they didn't come pick up trash because it was a holiday. So it was 3 weeks. Yeah, there was a lot of trash built up. I started on this drawing about 5 days ago, and then I got really busy working on things, and then before I knew it, a week has almost gone by, and I haven't even finished it more than halfway. I was doing it with a rotring isograph here, the 0.35. This is my standard go-to pen size for doing a lot of these doodles in my moleskin sketchbook, but I've gotten most of the way done with it. I've got maybe, let's see here. I think I'm maybe 80% done, something like that. But most of the sketchbook is done, and all I've got left is, let's see here, maybe, what does it look like to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know, I lost count. Maybe 15 or 20 pages. I don't have that many left to go, but getting there. So I put spaghetti squash in the microwave, and I forgot to make a little notch in it, or hole. And I had my headphones on, and I heard a loud boom, and I looked, and part of the spaghetti squash, like one side of it exploded in the microwave. So yeah, I've got spaghetti squash all over in there, and I'm gonna have to clean that out now. Better check this, make sure it's not burnt. It's looking good. Now this is actually a pretty good meal. It's just that this mess around it makes this look horrible. But this is chicken tenderloins I cut up with some yellow cooking onions, and now I'm going to add some seasonings to it. All of these over here, all of them. So I did end up picking up some salt. I was forgetting to get this for like a month, and then I finally remembered I needed some sea salt. Whatever you do, if you're cooking, don't let it end up like this. This is what happens when I get busy working on a lot of things, and then I just make food, and then I get busy working on stuff. I tell myself I'll clean it later, and then a few days goes by, and it looks like a complete mess. So I know I haven't really uploaded a lot of videos in the past week with any drawings, although I did upload one yesterday. But I've been busy working on some stuff, philosophy, some speeches, and editing videos and arranging all the files on my computer. But I will be uploading them again here shortly. Probably maybe tomorrow, possibly later today. Kind of depends on how things go. But right now I'm drinking myself some, it's called fire chai tea. It has ginger, vanilla, I can't remember the name of the other stuff. Let me go take a look at it. Actually, I have it on my table here. It is ginger fire chai. And it has ginger root, yerba mate, cinnamon, natural vanilla flavor, natural ginger flavor. I've never had it before, but we're going to find out and see what this tastes like. But I'm also making myself some chicken with some cut up onions. Going to eat that. And I just got off of work maybe 2 hours ago. And headed over to the other store. Bought myself some butternut squash again, some sweet potatoes, this tea here. Really strong flavor. I didn't add anything else into it yet. But yeah, I'm gonna add some stuff to this, drink this, and then eat my chicken, and then work on some doodles.